This is a nice thing to see. This one, Grevillea, and this one, and this one. They are in front of the swale. They were all planted October 2023. This also, but this is already half in the swale. Gets already a lot more water, so you see the difference. That one is like this. This one is like this. For an example, this one here also, and this one, and that one. From October 23. I think it was like something like this. This is after the swale, and in the thing over there it's before the swale. And you never know if there's a rock beneath the thing where you put them in. So it's very difficult to say that one plant will do it or it won't. It depends on a lot of different things. So this one is doing very well. The other one is surviving, will cost another couple of years, but also doing well. But it takes more patience. This is a luxury problem that we have now. This one was planted 2 years ago. He grew much too fast because he's now in this little stream that we have now with the water flow. And it grows too fast, and now we had a lot of rain, so it's very, very wet. And we had a pole with it, but the pole was really going down because of the water, and now this one goes up. So if it's more dry, we will replace a pole so that it can stand up again. This is Grevillea. It's silver oak from Australia. It's one of the species that I choose because it comes from Australia, from almost the same climate area as that we have here. And they are doing really well, and I use them as a new species for pioneer plant, and they really doing well. A little bit too well.